Good morning, guys. So today we are live from Bangalore, and we'll be heading to one of the places where I will show you an interesting motorcycle, which is the new KTM 690 Enduro. Okay, so this motorcycle belongs to a friend of mine, which I'll showcase in a while. So hop onto this journey. I will show you some great stuff. So as I mentioned, I have come to my friend's place. This is MW Performance. Mahi Mahendra, he runs this garage, and let me show you what this garage has. So Mahi or MW Performance is one of the distributors for Polaris. Let me show you what's all inside. So that's the base for servicing. That's some really nice BMWs over here. Meet Mai. Some more detailing over here. So this is the special bike that I was talking about in the morning. The KTM 690 Enduro. So the beauty of this motorcycle is that the fuel gets filled over here. There is no fuel gauge or anything over here. Runs on 2 maps, and just you can turn off the traction control. Let me show you other details. So here's the speedo, digital speedo. This is the new model, and in which you can see the distance, time, speedo. These are all the lights over here. There is the light function over here, engine on and off, and traction map, lights. So this is a street legal motorcycle. Okay, so this comes with Magura, clutch lever, and brake lever Brembo. That's the 690 engine. Full comes with pivotable. So Shahan is the owner. Meet Shahan. So he owns this BMW as well as that KTM. So he is going to ride the GS today, and we'll do some practice, and I'll be riding this and following him. So guys, as I mentioned, now Shahan is doing the practice for riding in circle with full steering lock. Today's objective is to make sure that we do the exercise in the competition spec or even tighter, so that we can get the max out of the lean as well as body position. So let me show you what we are doing. Wonderful. Look at the body position. The motorcycle is within the circle, leans to the left. So today morning we saw that his gear lever broke, and we made sure that the motorcycle stays in first gear only, and then we are practicing. So all of the exercises that we are doing today are first gear. Well done, Shan. Now we are doing the right turns. Yes, look at the body position. Look at how much lean he can carry with this body position. Look at where he is looking at, and all of this is possible because of great throttle, clutch control, body position, and first of all, the vision. Look how he's shifting his vision throughout the cones. All of things are being done by performing the right steps. Now see a demonstration of how figure of 8 at full steering lock is done. See, the motorcycle moved, but he did not move. Yes, and we are back. Now the next exercise that we are going to plan is the slush pit. Let me show you how it looks. Yes, so we'll enter from that side, coming in all of this, entering from here and then exiting from there. So these are the 2-3 ways that we will do the variants, and hopefully we'll be able to enjoy. I'll show you more. Now we are doing the garage exercise. Let me show you. Mr. Chowde is going in first. That is Shahan going in. Super. Huh? Good luck. Yes.
So the objective over here is not to do everything right in the first time, but keep working along. So which is why you will see that
It's okay.
even if they are touching the line and crossing the line, we are making them do it so that they get comfortable with this body position going ahead, and then they can reduce.
Over here, what we are trying to record is to showcase that the throttle is getting blipped on and on. What I wanted him to focus was having a consistent throttle. So later on, after these runs, he was able to make it so.